Good morning, my dear students. Uh, this question is your class 10 chapter number 1 from exercise 1.3, and this is your questions proof that under root 5 is a rational number. You know what is rational number and what is irrational number. You teach previous class in your school, dear students, rational numbers and irrational numbers. About you. Okay, my dear students, so now rational numbers. You know what's the about in rational numbers. Rational numbers, rational numbers. Which numbers are formed in P upon Q and Q is not equal 0? Which numbers are formed in P upon Q but Q is not equal 0? That is called rational numbers. You know, okay, my dear students. But that numbers conclude in under roots and within pi. So this is not rational number. This is irrational numbers. Okay, my dear students. You know, rational numbers, rational number and irrational numbers. I will teach you and about this what is irrational numbers and irrational numbers and rational numbers. Okay, my dear students. Rational numbers P upon Q but Q not equal 0. Okay, rational numbers P upon Q, rational numbers forming P upon Q and Q not equal 0. So that number is your rational numbers. But irrational numbers has in conclude under roots and within pi. So that number is not rational number. This is irrational numbers. Under root 2, under root 5 and under root 7 and 3 plus under root 4, 3 plus under root 4, 3 plus under root 3 and 3 pi and pi. Okay, my dear students, but pi value is given in this questions. Pi value is given 22 upon 7. So this value is your rational numbers, but pi is your irrational numbers, and pi is within any numbers, so that number is irrational numbers. Okay, my dear students. So now solve these questions. Okay, my dear students, understood, my dear students. So now again I teach you what is saying questions, my dear students. Prove that under root 5 is irrational numbers. Distance method apply here because this digit conclude has in under roots. So this digit is already, you know, my dear students, irrational numbers. Okay, my dear students. So now process apply here to under root and both side let you x upon y and both side let you, my dear students, and both side let you x upon y and squaring both side, squaring both side, squaring both side, squaring both side, my dear students. So now under root 5 square equal x upon y of all square. Okay, my dear students. So now under root 5 square, any that numbers has in square, but already that number concluding under roots but forming square. So now under root is removed. Okay, my dear students. So get you 5 and x upon y all square, x square upon y square. Okay, my dear students, you know any numbers has in upon, so you transport second sides. So upon numbers transfer to second size, so forming multiplication form. Okay, my dear students, 5 into y square. Y is your form in into and remains x square. Okay, my dear students, 5 into y square, 5y square, 5y square, x square. So now x square is equal 5y square. 5y square. If you remove y square both sides, so get this digit already in this your given questions as form as get you under root 5. Okay, my dear, if you remove this squares both side. Okay, my dear students, so get you 5 as same as already given in this your question under roots get you. Okay, my dear students, so now distance apply here. Distance apply here because this numbers conclude has in under root 5. So prove these questions. Distinct apply here. Distinct apply. Distance apply here and distinct apply here and conclude this number, conclude this digit and this digit has in under root 5. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, now my dear students, okay, so distance apply here and conclude this digit has in under root 5, so now it is, so now there is no place, so now right here, so now it is irrational number. It is irrational number. Okay, my dear student, prove this. Proved. This is your answer. Okay, my dear students. Under root 5 is equal x upon y. Let you, my dear students, and squaring both side, under root 5 of square equal second side RHS side is your x upon y whole square. So now you know already teach you, my dear students, any numbers forming under root 2 and that numbers has in square, so under root is remove that number. Okay, my dear students, so now under root 5 under root is removed because under root has 5 has in square. Okay, my dear students, so under root is removed and get you only 5 equal and x upon y of whole square, x square, y square, and any digit has in upon and transfer to next side, you know LHS is RHS, but that number is upon, so that form will be form of multiplication. 5 into 5, so 5 into y square equal x square and 5 into y square is equal 5 y square equal x square is equal to 5 into y square. Okay, my dear students, but you know square both side remove, so get you SMS 5 under root 5 whom given in this your questions. Okay, my dear, so now distance apply here and conclude this digit has in under root 5, so now it is irrational numbers proof. Okay, my dear students, okay, thank you.